before I come out, I get this girl when I come to date. And over the years, she just did some outfit. I just want this. I bet it's coming on my own. I won't use this one. Surprise me. And next tomorrow, first thing in the morning, let me go drop this car. I'll give you a number. I'll give you address.
My guy. You took a love that girl. Lexus car. Lexus 350.
Don't try for me now. Before I come out that time, she carried me to go so many places.
How much you be?
I need to show appreciation. So how decide?
I'm going to do. That your girl will be happy.
I trust you. No carry the car around.
No, but that's tomorrow. I will surprise your girl.
Hey, you.
Some girls are born lucky.
Hey,
Why some are born to be there?
Good morning. When you want that call?
Yeah. First of all, happy birthday to you. And this gift here, your boyfriend said I should hand over this gift to you. Say now your birthday. Happy birthday.
Babe, what's happening?
I bet it's coming and you've not said anything about it.
About your birthday,
Yes.
I don't promise myself, see, this your birthday, I will surprise you.
Bulaba.
You surprise me.
Yes.
Oh my
I
God.
can't wait. Let's go.
Wow. Lexus car.
Rich watch and cup of tea, oh. Funny people.
Yourself.
Rich watch and cup of tea.
Wait. Oh. Hello, baby. Oh, darling. Thank you for surprising. I love the car. Oh my God, I'll stay your darling. Oh, what can I do without you? Thank you for the car. Thank you. Oh my God, you're really surprised that you wowed me. I feel like crying. Hey. Okay, Austin, baby, I'll call you back. Let me spend the car. I'll call you back.
Hello? I beg, now you in call?
Yeah!
No, now you, now she call just now. No be you.
To be mumu.
Eh? Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. I'll run out. Oh, sorry, the car fine.
Fine.
The seat is soft.
I can't wait to rock it.
Oh my
I can't
God.
wait
My
to
start
rock
the
it.
engine. Now you start the engine.
Mumu man.
This one, let me the you wanna put the car this one. This or the trunk, the boot. Do you understand? Just they look me the way I want to start the car.
Bulaba.
You go enjoy the AC. You go enjoy the AC.
Yes.
The AC when they said this photo, it's too cool. This is how the car cool.
Yes.
This car. Now first us, now I get pan. Will be us still.
Yeah!
See you next time.
Hey yo, he fall.
Happy birthday to you.
Is this my surprise? Oh, okay. This Sosorobia, this Igbo made.
Oh my
This is
God.
this one is my surprise.
Yes.
Now this one be surprise. Okay. This Aba made. Not before Aba only cha. Now you give me as my birthday surprise. I not blame you.
Oh my God.
Check it. Come on for here. Surprise.
You see this? Na car to Lexus what I buy for you. I park am for the next 2 streets there. Just to test you because you call me this morning. Say somebody bring car come for you.
Are you telling me
So this is how you are.
Baby, don't be so.
So this if you talk, say if you talk.
Yeah,